All. Today's topic is zeros of a polynomial. Zeros, it is also written as roots. So both the words have same the meaning. So today we will study about the zeros of a polynomial. Now before starting about zeros, we will recall how to find the value of a polynomial. A polynomial is given to us and we have to find out its value. So the value of a polynomial fx at x is equal to alpha is obtained by substituting x is equal to alpha in the given polynomial, and it is denoted by f of alpha. We will understand this statement by the given example. Suppose we have given a polynomial fx is equal to 8x square minus 3x plus 7. Now we have to find out the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 2. At these 2 points we have to find out the value of this polynomial. So what we will do, we will take first case x is equal to minus 1. So wherever there is x we will put minus 1. So here we will get left hand side f of minus 1. Similarly on right hand side you have to put the value of x minus 1 everywhere where x is appearing to you. So we will put the value and we get the result 18. So this is the value of this polynomial at x is equal to minus 1. Now similarly at x is equal to 2, if we put x is equal to 2 in this polynomial, we will get the value f2, means value of the polynomial at point 2. So here we put the values and we get the result 33. So this is the method of finding the value of polynomial. Now we will take the concepts further. Now suppose we have consider another polynomial fx is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now suppose we will find its value at x is equal to 1. So now what happens when we put 1 at the place of x, we will get 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6 is equal to 0. So here you see, here the answer becomes 0. It means the value of the polynomial become 0. And this is our topic, 0 of a polynomial. So here we see that this 1, by putting 1 in the polynomial, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. So 1 is, we can say that 1 is a 0 or a root of the polynomial fx. Now we define the roots or 0 of polynomial as follows. A real number alpha is a root or 0 of a polynomial fx is equal to an x raised to the power n plus an minus 1 x raised to the power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x raised to the power n minus 2 plus a1x plus a0. This is the general form of a polynomial if f of alpha is equal to 0. So that is wherever there is x we have to put this value alpha. So here it is x, I have put here alpha, here it is x, I have put here alpha. So this whole terms will become 0. Now student, you have to keep these two things, important points, that an nth degree polynomial can have at most n real roots. This is very important point. Nth degree polynomial, it means you know the polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. So a linear polynomial can have at most one real root, and similarly second degree polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial can have at most 2 real roots. Similarly third degree polynomial is called cubic polynomial. So a cubic polynomial can have at most 3 real roots. So this thing you have to keep in your mind. And now finding a 0. If question is asked find a 0 of a polynomial, in that case what you have to do, it means you have to solve the polynomial equation fx is equal to 0. You have to equate your polynomial with 0. So we will understand this by this example. Suppose find 0 of the polynomials given below gx. So this is a polynomial which is given to us and we have to find out the 0. So how we will get the 0? we have already said that when you have to find a 0, you have to equate this polynomial with 0. So here by equating gx to 0, we get x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 is a root of gx 2x plus 5. So similarly, this is a case of linear polynomial. Similarly, we can we can find out zeros of quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, etc. Thank you.